In this segment, we will be addressing routine field maintenance of rubber tire loaders. Prior to placing the unit in service, there are a few simple checks that the operator must perform. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the operation and maintenance procedures listed in the operator's manual. This is located under the operator's seat. Located on the transmission, beneath the operator's station, is the transmission oil level sight gauge. Check that the level is within the level marks. With the unit on a level surface, begin your inspection at the left side engine access. Check the washer fluid reservoir to ensure there is adequate fluid. Check and drain the fuel and water separators at least once weekly. There are 2 on this particular machine. Check the hydraulic fluid level. There is a sight gauge located on the hydraulic tank. Ensure the level is within the high and low level marks. Check the engine oil level. The oil level must be between the high and low level marks. If the level is at or below the low mark, add 15W40 oil until the level is correct. Drain excess oil if the level is above the high mark. Check the engine air filter at least once monthly, more often in dusty conditions. Moving to the rear of the machine, open the radiator and oil cooler access panels. Check for any damage or leakage. Clean this area often of dirt or debris to prevent damage or overheating. There is also an access from the top where you will check the coolant reservoir. Be certain it contains the correct amount of coolant before operation. Add a 50-50 coolant water mix as needed. Also located on top of the engine compartment is the hydraulic tank filler cap. Check that it is in good condition and properly installed. Continue to the right side access panels. Check the condition of the engine components for damage or leakage. When performing these daily procedures, look over the rest of the machine for general condition.